In 1983, an entire subway train disappeared beneath a major city, and according to leaked reports, it was never supposed to exist. First sightings. Passengers waiting on the platform watched it arrive at exactly midnight. No route number, no driver visible. The doors opened and people stepped inside like normal. But the train never came back out. Officials claimed there was no midnight train scheduled. Security footage from that station was suddenly corrupted. Witnesses were told they imagined it. But one janitor swore he heard screams echoing through the tunnel long after the tracks were empty. 3 days later, a woman was found walking near the station entrance barefoot, covered in dust, unable to speak. She kept writing the same sentence over and over. They told us not to remember. Old transit maps later revealed a hidden underground platform sealed off since the 1960s. No public records, just one faded label, line 0. Workers sent down there reported cold air, flickering lights, and a train still sitting in the dark, doors open, completely empty. To this day, some night shift passengers say if you stand alone at midnight, you can still hear it arriving.